Anyway, I'm eating. We would be doing a competition. My sister Veronica is going to make something, and I'm gonna make something, and you will judge who wins. Is that okay? Yeah, what a good idea, Eve. Well, let's get baking. First, we need 250 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, 10 grams of chocolate chip, and 1 egg yolk. First, we need to put the caster sugar and butter into the bowl. Now we have to add the egg yolk into the mixture. Now we need to add the flour into the mixture. And we continue mixing it. Now we need to add the 10 grams of chocolate chip. We would be using this Rilakkuma silicone mold for this mix. That left over. So now Veronica is going to make a cake in cup. We will need 2 tablespoons of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, a dollop of Nutella, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring, and a dash of salt. Now we have to put everything together, and then we put the Nutella last. Now that all the ingredients are in this cup, we are going to mix it. Now there's a scoop here to put in this. Now we need to put the mixture into the microwave on high for 1 minute. There you go. Well, here's the Nutella. Due to popular votes, Elaine won. Because of my biscuits. Yay! My biscuits